Baby, while we're young, I think we should do something crazy.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I remove my units using the C22 solvent spray. I'm going to start off by spraying this around the perimeter of my head and then gently massage that through that lace onto my scalp, you guys. And I'll do this for about 20 to 25 minutes. I try my best to take my time when doing this because my edges are, everyone's edges are very sensitive. So you want to make sure you take your time, don't rush, don't pull nor tug when you're like trying to remove your lace. This oil works wonders. It do not take long at all. You just want to make sure you gently remove that lace. As you guys can see, it's sliding right off. This is like hands down one of the best products they could have made when removing any type of glue. And you guys, that bad baby slides right on off. Now I'm just going to be taking my almond shea butter shampoo, and this shampoo is a cleanser as well. So I'm just going to massage that in for about 15-20 minutes. Let that seep through that stocking cap and just massage it because your girl needs her edges. I don't need my edges coming out any type of way, so this is the best part. It feels so good. So yeah, I'm just gonna shampoo that. As you guys can see, no hairs on that cap, and I'm taking my Regencinine Nurturing Growth Oil and I'm just gonna massage that into my scalp where I apply my glue and where I apply my cap. So I'm just going to use that growth oil and massage that in and start to take my braids down. These braids look kind of rough, but this is the pattern that I use most of the time under my units. And as you can see Mariah in my video, guys, life of a mother. So yeah, I'm just going to take down my braids and just wear my natural hair for about 2-3 days before I may put another unit on. I don't know, but you guys, I keep my hair braided up under my units, and y'all, this feels so good when you can take your unit off and just see your hair and just be free. It just feels so good when you can just scratch your scalp like I look crazy. But this is basically it for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful when you guys are removing your units or any type of glue, tape from your wig units. Use that C22, and if you guys cannot find that in your local area, I'll leave my link down to my website down in the description bar. I do have the spray on my site, and as you guys can see from the video, I do have my edges. I never had full edges, but I had a little bit and they are still there. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.